welcome everyone. Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy schedules to come visit the first meal here in Hubbard Hall. This has been a great collaboration between the Student Union as well as the art department. So I just want a quick round of applause for everyone who got to work together on this project. From the staff part of things, it's been a pleasure to be with such great company alongside the wonderful students that will get an introduction here today. So without further ado, I'll pass it over to Gio. He's a class professor. I'll let him introduce himself and his class.
Great, thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Giovanni Balderas. I am the assistant professor for the painting and drawing section at the art department. And I just want to thank everyone. Thank you Aaron, thank you David, thank you Colby, thank you to my colleagues Shelly and Kristen. But most importantly, thank you to my students. You all did an amazing job. I'm so proud of the work that you did, because this is to ask for us to come paint a mural inside a space takes a lot of trust, and because you never know what you're going to get. But again, thank you, Aaron. But I want to introduce the team, Free Radicals, who came up with the design. So just really briefly, we set up the class like an outside professional world circumstance where artists answer a request for proposals and they have to turn it in. And Aaron was responsible for getting a lot of stakeholders to kind of be jurors. And so these jurors evaluated the mural proposals, and Team Free Radicals won. And so their mural was selected to be painted here. And I'm going to turn it over to you all. So this is Gabby, Elisia, Martha, and Sahian.
Well, hello everyone, my name is Elisia Hill. I just want to thank all of you for coming and taking time out of your day. I know life can be really busy, so taking a pause to just celebrate art is really exciting. I just wanted to talk about the mural a little bit. So since this is an area where students come to relax and kind of take time out of their day to just pause, we really wanted to invoke positivity and encouragement in these students, and just make an art piece that really got them excited to follow their dreams and follow their hearts, and just realize that university is worth it, and taking time out of your life to do something and follow your dreams really means a lot. So I hope that this mural really captures that for all of you and just gives you happiness and positivity and really gives you some motivation to keep on following your aspirations.
I also wanted to thank the class for their hard effort to complete this mural and all the time we spent on it. I'm so sorry that I did it and then I also want to thank you for giving us this chance to do this here at school.
We would also like to thank Aaron and the Student Union for allowing us to paint here and to show it.
And a big thank you to the art department and the school for being on this activities. It's been a wonderful experience.
Can we get all the students behind the ribbon, and then we'll do like a big photo op and then cut it. So Chancellor, would you like to come up and
Sure.
do a part? Yeah. I guess it's
I'll be in the back.
Thank you so much, Chancellor, for stopping by.
Absolutely.
Y'all come over real quick.
We all hold the scissors. All hold the scissors.
Oh, if the board members are here, that'd be great if y'all came up to the front as well with the students.
Yeah, any board members that want to join, feel free.
You mean cabinet members?
Cabinet members? Sorry.
Cabinet members, sorry, cabinet members.
Go ahead.
Please feel free.
No, go and get it. Alright.
Oh, you're fine. You're fine.
Here we are.
Because I don't think we're all